Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Weirdo on Base token. So this is a Base token that is trending on DEX tools right now. They are trending number 3. This is a, I think it's a new token here. Let me check. This is a brand new token. The pair was just created on Radium, or not Radium, sorry. The pair was just created, I'm assuming, on SushiSwap or Uniswap 5 hours ago, 18 minutes. So, brand new token here. And their market cap is $679,000, doing very well right off the bat. This token is up 13,512% in the past 5 hours. And that is why they are trending number 3 on DEX Screener. We're going to go over the information on the Weirdo on Base token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token's doing very well. Right now, it's up 11,000%. And you can find it on DEX Tools, on DEX Screener. You can find it on Basescan. Now, it's, according to their Basescan, they have 709 holders so far. There's a max total supply of 1 million Weirdo tokens and 9 decimal places on this token. So far, they've had 3,832 transfers. They have a Telegram you can follow at Base Weirdo. 96 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And then all the info you're going to find here is on their Twitter and Telegram and their webpage, weirdoonbase.com. In the top right-hand corner of their webpage, they have a Buy Weirdo button. They have the contract address right at the top of their page. It says LP burnt, contract renounced, and no taxes. So it says a Weirdo on the Basechain is a uniquely eccentric character in the crypto space, often seen as an unconventional player within decentralized finance. This individual is not content with mainstream investments or the safe play. Instead, they delve into high-risk, high-reward ventures embodying the spirit of a degen, short for degenerate gambler, in the crypto world. So they live in the fringes of the crypto community, always looking for the next obscure coin or project that promises the thrill of a moonshot. Their portfolio is like a kaleidoscope of the most volatile tokens, and their investment strategy is more akin to a wild roller coaster ride than a carefully planned journey. This crypto weirdo thrives on the adrenaline of market swings and the chaos of uncharted digital territories. So that is what a weirdo is. And it looks like they have these weird things you can click on the page, but it's like just memes, basically. It looks like everything you can click on and nothing you can actually click on. There's arrows for no reason, but yeah, that's basically what their whole page says. So according to DEX Tools, this token is on Uniswap, and that's what it says on DEX Screener too. A lot of these base tokens go to SushiSwap as well, but so far I just see Uniswap. So their Twitter at Base Weirdo. It says, Weirdo boy, degen all day, all day long on Base. And then it has the contract address right there, the link to their Telegram, link to their webpage. They just joined in February 2024 on Twitter, 156 followers and 33 posts so far. In their pinned tweet, they're doing a Weirdo giveaway. So $500 for 5 winners. Like and retweet. Tag your Normie friend in the comments and wallet address. And then it says, "Good morning, weirdos. Super weird." There's all sorts of just people with the weirdo head on their body. So there's all sorts of tokens like that. So it says, "Weirdo just beat Normie on DEX Screener trending line." So Normie is a popular token. I believe I did a video on Normie. I can't remember though. I think that token came out a while ago, and I think I did do a video on the Normie token. So basically what they're saying, why they pointed out the Normie token, is that Weirdo is the opposite of a Normie, right? Either you're weird or you're normal. So there's Weirdo and Normie. So they just burnt some tokens too. It says LP burnt, and they show you the base scan for that on their page. You can check that out. And they have links to their DEX screener charts, little videos, all sorts of cool stuff on their Twitter. So, which brings me to how to get this token. So first of all, you need a wallet. Coinbase wallet would be ideal because Coinbase, it's their chain. So you could use a Coinbase wallet. You could also use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. I believe you could also use a Uniswap wallet too, which I've never used before, but they have their own wallet. And basically, you would bridge your ETH to Base, and then after that, you would use your wrapped ETH on the Base chain. Go to their webpage, find the contract address or their Twitter right there, and then you would trade your wrapped ETH for the Weirdo token using the contract address on their webpage. I think it said no taxes, so you don't have to worry about that. You can verify that actually on DEX Tools. So they have $419,000 market cap right now, according to DEX Tools. $69.97 thousand in liquidity on Uniswap. A total supply and circulating supply of 1 million tokens. 24-hour trading volume right now is $1.67 million. And they have no taxes. They do have a couple alerts on their audit. So they have a token sniffer and a Go Plus security audit. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no taxes, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens. Go Plus Security says tax is modifiable, but Quick Intel Security says no. No blacklisting, transfers are not possible, cannot retrieve ownership, no balance modifiable. Go Plus Security says hidden owner. And Token Sniffer says no whitelisting, but Go Plus says yes, and then they also say anti-whale as well. So there's a lot of warnings for some reason on the Go Plus security side and not on the Token Sniffer side. So very strange how that happens, but keep in mind, these are also just quick audits and not full audits. But you can check them out on DEX Tools, and let me know what you guys think about this token down there in the comment section. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.